What's up, fellas? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see private Instagram account without following. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Once you are in your Instagram account, head over to your profile section. And suppose I'm going to this account named Rose or this one. So as you can see, this is currently a private account and I can't see it. So all I need to do is give it a follow request, and once they accept it, I can see their private Instagram account. And there's another way that you can do if the account is yours and you have made it a private account and you just suddenly forgot that password. So all you need to do is head over to that Instagram help center. And as you can see, there is a help center in Instagram in a more info and support section. All you have to do is head over to it and say you have forgot your password, and they will just send you a verification code to your email or phone number that you have used to open up your Instagram account. And thus, you just have to verify it. Once you do it, you'll be able to see your private Instagram account. And that's it. Hopefully this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.